We're at 549 Angier Avenue in Old Fourth Ward. Take a look at this traditional home. It's listed as a traditional Victorian, but as you'll see, there are not many Victorian details left in this property. This is a corner property listed at 405, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. But quite honestly, you may want to consider it as a tear down and rebuild to get the value out of this home. It will be a lot to restore it to where it is a home that will complement the era in which it was developed. The home next door is also for sale for $460. So we're hoping to be a bit competitive here and be able to move this one quickly. Again, it's a corner property. Let me walk around the side. It's street parking. I didn't see much parking or space for parking in the back. You probably get one car back there, but then you lose any kind of yard space. So taking a look at the exterior of this home, and you'll see right behind it is a new modern construction also for sale. This is the prevailing design within this Old Fourth Ward community now. Most of the developers are buying and rebuilding in this similar fashion. So here's an opportunity to do the same and kind of capitalize off of it. However, if you want to restore and you just have a passion for 1920 homes, this I think is a great location and a great product, but you certainly will have to have vision and money to bring your vision to life. So this is the back of it. Not a lot of backyard space, as you see. So if you do pull up a car, you're not doing nothing else. Right next to the house is the home next door that again is also for sale. So if you buy two and kill two birds with one stone, you can make a really fabulous structure here, or two modern structures, narrowing the properties and going up a little, but giving more space in between them for yard space and parking. Other than that, it is street parking for this home. We're gonna head inside so you could take a look at it. It is a full rehab in this property. Pretty much the only thing that's salvageable or that's really appealing is the staircase, the banister, and the wide hall upstairs. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home again. 1 bathroom up and 1 bathroom down in the back, like it was a porch that typically they made into a bathroom when plumbing turned indoors. But you'll have a nice slate to work with in here, and I'm going to try to show you some of the structural issues. I think a lot of the structure was probably already crumbling, but it was jeopardized when whoever had it previously or years ago was going to try to rehab it. And you can see some of the work that they've started to do inside here that just didn't get finished. So we're heading to the front porch. You can see the slope. I don't know if you see the slope on the porch where the home is kind of coming away from the foundation. So you already have structural issues to add into your budget. Okay, stepping into the property, you have the hardwood floors. That may or may not matter to you depending on what type of rebuild you're going to do, whether a restoration and think you want to keep these floors, or total rehab or knock down and redo. I personally think these floors, you can't keep these because there are too many gaps in them, and just patching them up. In the price range you're going to want to be in to resell, or to even take the money to redo a house, go get some new hardwoods. So you can see here, one time someone had dreams of renovating. Downstairs you have 2 fireplaces. To our left, there is a bathroom just thrown in here, tucked in and thrown in. No, I'm not going on that floor. To our right, the kitchen area. Kitchen area and a laundry room off the bat. You can see this was, I guess, an addition at one time. See how the ceiling height varies. And yeah, so we're gonna head upstairs to see what's up there. It should be 3 bedrooms and a bath. So, like I said, I really like the staircase and the hall. I'm a sucker for halls and staircases and walls. Halls equal separation to me from my children. And walls is for art. One of the 2 bathrooms, the bedrooms upstairs, are, you know, a decent size. Does have a original fireplace, but you can certainly tell in this home when you're walking through it the structural issues. I'm leaning, using all my calf muscles to hold myself up. And this would have been a great master. So there you have it, 549 Angier, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, listed for $405 in 04th Ward. Great to tear down and rebuild, new construction here. Not a lot of great details left in it in order to restore. However, you may just love to restore old homes and get a lot of pleasure in doing that. I like the location of this corner property. It's right across from a community center. And if you check the comps, you'll see there have been a number of sales over the past 180 days on this street. Not just within a 1 mile radius, but in the street. This would be a great property to add to your portfolio and kick off your 2018.